Hi there, it's John again from Antique Watch Company with another short product video. I've picked quite an unusual piece again today. This is officially our oldest piece. This is a 1918, not 2018. This is a 1918 early trench Movado Chronometre wristwatch. Really unusual piece. It's a screw front, screw back case, solid sterling silver. We've dated it by obviously the style, but and the English hallmark. Very unusual onion crown, oversized, easy grip crown even for its age, almost before its time. So you've got the obvious enameled, military style, open painted figures, the cathedral hands. This is quite a big watch for its age. So you're talking 16mm strap and around 35mm, let's say 36mm, 38mm including the crown. So I've got quite a big wrist, and you can see that's almost pilot's size. So it's the standard watches of the trench era were 32, 34mm, and this is a big watch, really substantial, hermetically sealed case, which means the screw thread on the front, screw thread on the back, keeping the elements at bay. You know, some of these have had crown guards to protect them, or shrapnel guards from bomb blasts. We've managed to find a period tan vintage handmade strap to fit the watch as well, which is it's just perfect. I mean, that strap is exactly what should be on the watch. So trench watches for obvious reasons. First World War, the guys in the trenches, mainly officers who had wristwatches, very rarely marked. You don't see a lot of First World War stuff with markings on the case. A lot of the guys will be buying their own watches individually. So this is by the Movado Watch Company. Most of their watches were signed Chronometre. It doesn't necessarily mean Chronometre rated, it was just almost a brand, Movado Chronometre. So mechanical, manual wind. This is an early Movado Caliber 420, 15 joules, really good quality caliber. I've done a service on this watch, very light case polish. I'd say possibly the lugs have been extended over the years. You probably see a lot of these trench watches with the smaller 14mm lugs. I can't actually see any evidence of previous lugs, but it all fits well to me, and size proportion wise, brilliant. On the wrist, amazing. I really do like this watch. I mean, it's over 100 years old. What is it? 106 years old. 12mm thick, 42mm lug to lug. My advice on watches at this age, I don't consider these as everyday watches. I mean, I've been wearing this for a week now. I've been really enjoying it. It's about time I put it down and let you guys have a go at it, have a chance. So not really everyday watches. Why? Okay, so non-magnetic and anti-shock, not heard of during the First World War. I mean, anti-magnetism didn't really come out to the late 1930s, early 40s. Shock-proofing, there are some very rare early examples of shock-proofing. It's quite primitive. It's a glass, it's an enamel dial. The more you wear the watch, the more likely you're going to have an accident with it. I'm not trying to put people off, but these are antiques. You know, what did my dad always say? You don't you don't put your tea in and your hot drinks in at Ming bars. You know, you don't hang paintings in sunlight. You don't really wear a 106-year-old watch every day. But this is one of my favourite pieces in at the moment. It's on the website. You can make an appointment to come and view it, and I can talk you through this watch. It's just a really nice example and a perfect enamel dial. I mean, the quality of that video is pretty good today. The light's coming in nice. Big onion crown. It runs really well. I've got this in to within about 20 seconds a day, which is pretty good. So that's available now on the website. And if you'd like any more information, there's some detailed spec stuff on the website, a bit of a write-up. Also do have a read of the George Stockwell case import mark. Very interesting. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that, and I will talk to you soon.